Today, I want to show you how to cook Japanese rolled omelette. It is called Dashimaki tamago or tamagoyaki. It is very popular in Japan. If you get the chance, please give it a try. First, crack 2 eggs. Gently mix the eggs in a bowl using chopsticks. Don't whip the egg. Add 3 tablespoons of dashi. You can use hondashi instead of dashi. And add a pinch of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Stir them. Strength of fire is very important and difficult. Put in the oil to cover the entire pan. High heat all the time. Wait until the pan is well heated. But this is too hot, so we need to let it cool down. Listen to the oil sound and talk with the pan. After checking, put a thin layer of the egg mixture into the pan and spread evenly. Crush bubbles to make it smooth. When the egg white begins to set, start rolling the egg mixture from the back towards using the chopsticks. After making the roll, slide it back and put oil in the exposed part of the pan. Pour the egg mixture into the exposed part of the pan. Lift the previously rolled omelette to spread the egg mixture underneath it. Once again, when the egg mixture starts to set, roll it from the back towards you. And then slide it back. Repeat the procedure again and again. Japanese rolled omelette is one of the most popular Japanese cuisine. Also, it is said that you can tell the level of Japanese restaurant from the taste of their tamagoyaki. Finally, shape it, but you don't have to do it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.